Hello everyone, my name is AyaCica and today I'm gonna make a Krampus makeup. First I'm using the AHLBS Plus spray just to prime and make my skin feel good. Then I'm using my Garnier BB cream Pure Active in the color medium, because these are come in two colors, medium and light, and usually I use light at winter, but now my skin not really faded, but this is still not the perfect color. I'll try to figure out something better in the future, and I don't really like this as a foundation always. Next I'm gonna using my Magic Professional Cosmetics 12 Flash Color palette. I'm using the white, the black and the red color, and I'm just gonna use these and their mixes, and I'm gonna painting a masterpiece here. So I start with the white, I'm just stepping all over it, I'm looking super funny like this always when I'm doing these whites, because I don't want it to make it pure white. I made that at the past and it was just wasting the white, because nice coat of white would make it super nice white. And I'm just doing this black the side of my face. I tried to reach into the roots of my head. I just don't know where it is because it's so much hair there and hard to tell. But now when I'm looking it, I know I should go on further there. It was really hard. Then I'm just using a beauty blender and blending everything out nicely. And as you can see, this light coat of white was enough. I don't need it more to make that light white color. And I just blend everything together that's needed to be blended together. And then I'm going to add some texture, make it more interesting and scary and a little bit old looking. I looked up some Krampus pictures on the internet when I figured out what will be, and I was thinking of maybe an FX would be super good for it, but at the end I don't want it to make FX. I wanted to use only paint and brushes, no latex. So this is how I came to make this, and I really liked the end result. Maybe next year I'm gonna make an FX Krampus, I don't know. So I was just blending, drawing, blending, correcting mistakes, and it started looking good. And actually this was like the first thing that I was thinking about. This is how it looks now, but at the end it was not enough, I thought, so I wanted to add more texture, make it look more scary, and how to say, I wanted to make it more fragile, or I don't know, more miserable. I wanted to make more wrinkles and etc etc. Yes, and I wanted these bloody red lips with the black and with the red. I didn't use the red too much, only on my lips and under my eyes. I love using under my eyes, not only it gives a really interesting look red under my eyes, it sometimes reflects in my eye and it looks super nice. And I made these big bushy messy eyebrows with the black, and I loved them. They looked super fun and cool. Maybe I should wear this type of eyebrows. I could be rocking this look with every day. I'm thinking about it. Yes, I added more black and more red to my lips to make the shade better, and then I just tried to do this, how to say, contouring, highlighting game to make it more interesting and scary and everything. Again, I looked up some Krampus looks and they are inspired me and how the Krampus should look like. And I just want to say, before we get to the end, I don't have horns. I should have bought them or make them. I tried to make them, but it wasn't looking good, so at the end I decided to do just the makeup. And maybe if I do something like this next time that needs a horn, I'm gonna buy one. I already know some friends who's making horns and I never bought horns for them, and now I see my mistake. So I'm gonna buy horns sooner or later. But it was looking nice. Maybe if I make a Krampus again with FX, I'm gonna using horns. But from this I made this ugly creature, and this is the finished look. If you like this, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. There's a lots of links in the description that you should check out. Please leave some sweet comments and see you in the next video. Bye!